Here's how to know if you're spending too little on your Google Ads and to know if you're losing auctions because your budget is too low. Okay, so when you come into your Google Ads account, head over to the campaigns level. And then from here, what you want to do is click on the columns. Inside the columns, click this pencil icon and then click on this search bar and then type in IS. And then all you're trying to find is search lost IS budget, which just means search lost impression share due to budget or a low budget. So click on that and click apply. So what we'll do now is we'll scroll to the right until we find that, because it's just over here. And what the heck does this mean? Well, basically a low number is good, a high number is bad. And this just tells you out of, like for this number, out of every 4 auctions out of 10, you're losing it because your budget is too low. So you could assume that if you spend about 40% more roughly than what you're spending now, you might be able to enter into more auctions. Now that's just very, very simple math. Of course, there's more to it and you might have to spend more than that, right? I don't know, or less. But this is just giving you a rough ballpark or idea that out of these auctions, your competitors are likely spending more than you, or they've got better ads, or a combination of both, or there's a lot of demand in the area. There's a lot of different things. But basically, you'd probably want to spend a lot more so that you're getting more auctions, because there's a lot more auctions available in the pool, so you can show your ad more times, but you're losing them because your budget's too low. You're spending too little. And so if you're taking this account, for example, and we have a look at the search lost IS budget, we see these numbers are quite low. Why are they low, right? So this one here is a brand campaign. I'm bidding on the client's brand name, and so it's very unlikely that I'm going to lose any of the auctions, simply because not many people type in the name directly. So if this is high and it's for your own brand name, you should be worried, and you should spend a lot more to protect your brand, all right, so that other competitors aren't intercepting your kind of brand name. And so with the rest of them, this account seems to be doing well. So issue here is not budget. It's probably going to be ad rank. So I'll probably have to work on the actual landing pages themselves, improve the site speed, the words on the pages, make them relevant, etc., so that these ads can perform better. Because right now, what I'm seeing, the issue with these ads is not the budget, it is the ad rank. Okay, whereas this one over here, if we have a look at the ad rank, it's kind of on par a little bit, if not a little bit worse, but I reckon I'd have to work on both the landing pages and also the budget. Basically tell the client, hey, we need a bit more budget here if you want to get more leads and sales. So that's all this means in terms of the search lost due to budget. So I hope that helps. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'm more than happy to answer them, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.